Okay, last video for section 9.6, technically day 4. Day 3 and day 4, the videos are very similar, so it's nice if you do it together and do the homework together. So question number 1, we have e raised to negative 10x equals 73. Okay, so step 1, think about e, it goes with ln. So ln of this side and ln of this side. So let me rewrite this. ln e to negative 10x is equal to ln of 73. Again, just like before, this goes in the front. So you get negative 10x times ln e is equal to ln 73. Do you remember POD from day 3? Okay, this is equal to 1. Okay, this is equal to 1. So you get negative 10x equals ln 73. And how do you get x by itself? Divide by negative 10. Divide by negative 10. So in your calculator, you can just type ln 73, close parentheses, divide by negative 10. Let me try on my own calculator. ln again is next to 4. ln 73, close parentheses, divide by negative 10. Okay, my answer is negative 0.429. So x is approximately negative 0.429. Again, check your calculator, make sure you know how to type this. Take 2-3 minutes, try number 2, pause the video please, but please try it, because obviously if you don't really know the mistakes you will make. Okay, so try number 2, pause the video, and then play it and see my solution. So in question number 2, e raised to x plus 4 power equals 23. So ln, so you get ln e x plus 4 equals ln 23. Just like before, this goes in the front, so you get x plus 4, but you have to put it in parentheses, times ln e equals ln 23. This is equal to 1, because this means e to what power equals e, okay? So you get x plus 4 is equal to ln 23. So how do you get x by itself? Minus 4, subtract 4 from both sides. So if you put this in your calculator, ln 23 minus 4, again you have to put ln parentheses 23 close parentheses minus 4. Make sure you follow the directions. So ln 23 close parentheses minus 4. My computer says, my calculator says that the answer is negative 0.865. Okay, I'm rounding to 3 decimal places. Okay, so I hope that you did it correctly, and if you didn't, I hope you understand your mistakes. Okay, so question number 3 and 4, pause the video again, okay, for number 3, and take really a few minutes and do it, because number 3 is similar to number 2. And make sure you don't just copy the notes, pause, try it, and then compare your answers. So number 3, ln, actually, I'm sorry, before I do number 3, I have to subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, so that's your first step, because you need to get b by itself. So e raised to b plus 5 is equal to 61. Now ln, and now ln. Okay, so using the power rule, you will get b plus 5 ln e. Let me erase this because I'm squeezing all the work. Okay, so you get b plus 5 ln e is equal to ln 61. Please remember, this is equal to 1. So you get b plus 5 is equal to ln 61 minus 5 minus 5. So if you put this in your calculator, and I will do it right now, okay, b is equal to ln 61 close parentheses minus 5. I got b is equal to negative 0.889. Okay, and last question, number 4, and we are done with section 9.6. Number 4, what will be your first step? Add 10 to both sides. So you get e raised to negative 6x is equal to 38 and 3/10. Okay, second step would be ln. I'm changing colors for you so you can understand this. Okay, and then the third step would be bring it to the front. So I'm doing this kind of once. So you get negative 6x ln e is equal to ln 38.3. Excuse me. Fact, that's equal to 1. So you get negative 6x equals ln 38 and 3/10. And how do you get x by itself? Divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. So if you type this in a calculator, please type ln, open parentheses, I have TI-84, you don't have to do it, that's by itself, 38.3, sorry, close parentheses, divide by negative 6, and my calculator says x is approximately negative 0.608. Okay, so the answer is negative 608 thousandths. Thank you very much. Bye bye.